In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Google Slides presentation. By the end, you'll know how to capture your voice and camera directly inside your slides using a simple Chrome extension so your audience can watch a clear narrated presentation without extra software. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. Using Chrome works best for what we're about to do. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, your microphone is connected, and if you plan to show your face, your camera is ready. A quick mic check is helpful. Speak near your mic and watch for input activity in your system settings so you know you'll get clean audio. Once Google Slides is open, click your recent presentation to load the deck you want to record. If you keep multiple versions, double check the titles so you're working in the right file. Let the slides fully load before moving on, especially if your presentation includes videos or animations to avoid hiccups during recording. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. This is where you'll find tools that add features to your browser. In the store, look up the extension called Record to Slide. Review the listing to confirm you're installing the correct tool, then add it to Chrome. You may be prompted to grant permissions for your microphone and camera. This is necessary for recording. If your Slides tab was open during installation, switching back and refreshing the page helps the new features appear. Return to your Google Slides tab and look for a new blue record icon near the top of the interface. Click that blue record icon to open the recording controls. In the panel, confirm the correct microphone is selected and choose whether you want to include your camera. Position your webcam frame, if offered, so it doesn't block important content on your slides. When you're ready, click record. You'll typically see a short countdown, which is your cue to take a breath and get into presentation mode. Speak clearly, keep an eye on pacing, and use your arrow keys to advance at natural breakpoints in your narration. Now click slideshow at the top to present your deck while the recording runs. This switches you into a clean, distraction-free view. Walk through your points, pause briefly on complex visuals, and keep your voice steady. When you finish your run-through, return to your slides window to wrap up using the same recording panel. If anything feels off, do a quick retake. A short practice pass often leads to a smoother final result.